Good afternoon, everyone. Here I am Vanshika kashyap from class 9th, and my topic is what is organ donation and why it is important. The organ donation takes healthy organ and tissue from one person for transplantation into another. The organ donated by donor can help or save so many lives, and the first human organ transplantation was performed in 1954. The donor was identical twin of recipient. Now, what is organ donation? Organ donation is a surgical way of removing organ or tissue from one person in purpose of placing it into another person whose organ or tissue is damaged or not working properly. Now there are types of donor. First is live donor, second is dead donor, third is brain dead donor, and fourth is cardiac dead donor. First is live donor. The living donor transplantation is the process in which they used to remove the organ or tissue from one person to place it into another whose organ or tissue is not working properly, like kidney, lungs, or the portion of liver. Now, what is brain dead donor? First, when someone has a serious accident or have injured their brain, so at that time they can donate their organs or tissue to another one where they have less chance to live again. So that is called brain dead donor. Now, what is dead or deceased donor? First, when a person is injured by their brain or have a major death or shock, so at that time when the donor is in condition of death, so that type of donation is called dead donation. Now, cardiac donation. When a person suffers from cardiac donation, their heart stops beating due to the lack of blood circulation in body, and at that time the vital organ quickly become unusable for transplantation. Now, some fact: the second highest number of donation takes place in India, but majority of them is living donation. Now, there are types of organ which are donated, like heart, kidney, lungs, eyes, or other. There are so many types of organ that are donated, but some of them are these. And first we will discuss about lungs. So the lungs are the organ which is donated by the person to a needed person. Like when their lungs, they can donate their lungs anytime, because there is no age limit for lungs to donate, and the lungs can be retrieved from a deceased person or living person for a person who wants the lung to live again. And another fact is that the lungs need only 6 to 4 hours to get transplanted in another person. Now, eyes. The eyes or cornea. The cornea is a clear, transparent sheet. It is an exposed part of eye which protect the eye from unwanted things, and the eyes must be removed after 4 to 6 hours after the death of donor. Now, heart donation. It usually comes from people who have injured their brains or have a serious injuries. It only takes 5 to 6 hours to get transplanted into another person. Now, kidney. The 85% of people wait for kidney for 3 to 5 years to just get a kidney, because it is the important thing that can be donated like any time, in living time also and in dead time also. And it is the average time of waiting for a kidney, that is 3 to 5 years. Now, liver. Liver is also type of organ which is donated by a deceased person to a person who needs the liver, and it take almost 8 hours to just get transplanted into another person, where the doctor used to replace the diseased lungs with the family of lungs from a donor. And generally the liver operation uses the livers of the person who are dead. Thank you.